Well, it's been on for about an hour straight. And like you saw, I mean, the pump block is, you know, it's warm, but it's not stupid hot. The head's got some heat to it. The outlet line is super hot. Motor's just lukewarm. Tank is pretty much cold. But obviously this line here that's hot. Condenser, top half it's warm. Bottom half is pretty much cold. Outlet is cold. My wet tank is cold. Moisture that's all the moisture we got. And I've been blasting for about an hour, and it's only 11 degrees outside. It's cold. No ice up problems, no nothing. So just a little show and tell again of that system. It works and it's cheap. So well, back to blasting. Yeah, keep going here. Well, everything got sandblasted I needed to get sandblasted. So I had almost 150 pounds of sand in there, and so 150 pounds. I got the intake clean, both inner side skirts, those are clean, and then the alternator brackets and pulleys and all that miscellaneous fun. I got the transmission painted, primed and painted. It's Pontiac blue. It's usually what I paint my automatic transmissions. I don't know why, it just looks cool. But I'm out of sand, otherwise I would have sandblasted the springs real quick. But that's okay, because I'm not even sure if I'm going to use those springs or not. Bright light. So, core support's done. And it turned out pretty good. A couple of rusty spots, but before we ran out of sand, we got that done. So, pretty accomplishing morning. So that's it. Now I got to start priming and painting, and I'm so full of sand right now, I don't know if I want to get near that motor, but we'll see. I have plans tonight, so we're not going to get real deep into anything. But that's it. Talk to you guys later. Well, another fun, cold day. Get all my sandblasting done, even though it's 11 degrees out. I think it warmed up to like 15. But I had to get it done. Talking more snow this week. So if I don't do it now, it's not going to get done until next weekend. Because tomorrow's busy, and actually I got plans this afternoon. But it is March 2nd. So, you know, like they say, spring is right around the corner. So it won't be long. Later, guys.